We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my studio. I'm in a really good mood because a little bit earlier I did a big painting, it came out perfect. Very happy mood. But I have a lot of leftovers, and you know I like to play with my leftovers. So we're going to do a smaller pour, a little grenade pour, because I know these colors are going to play well together. So let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Hold on. Okay, you can sort of see the edge over there of the other painting. We're going to try not to touch over that way. Like I said, most of my table is like all covered up, but I didn't want to move it that way too much. All right, so we're going to work with an Artist Loft Level 3 8x8 canvas just for some fun. I'll go through the colors really quick. So this color is a mixture of Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue and Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. This one is Folk Art Metallic Pearl White, Deco Art Americana in Alizaran Crimson. What do we got here? Deco Art Metallics 24 Karat Gold, Arteza Ultramarine Blue, Liquitex Basics in Prism Violet, and Liquitex Basics in Blue Violet Light. Well, light blue violet. Okay, so we are just gonna throw some paint in a flip cup and have some fun, because these colors were playing so nice together that I wanna play with them some more. So just gonna make a small little flip cup here.
We just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else.
All right, that should be more than enough. Let me just check and see what it says here. Oh yeah, that's more than we need. All right, let me move these cups. I got lots of leftovers. I got paint bottles over here. Now all these paints are mixed with mixed pour. You know I love my mixed pour. So you can contact Krista Rasmussen at krista8974@gmail.com to get you some mix. All right, we're just gonna flip this and let that sit for a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes, but a little while. I'm gonna find a push pin, stick a hole in that. We're gonna grenade it, because that's gonna make it bubble out better. React a little more. Hoping it's gonna react like it reacted in the other painting, because that would make me very happy. Just gonna lick through there and lick a little bit more. Oh wow, look at all the cells inside that cup. Awesome. So if any leftovers I can throw on these edges. Alright, I think I'll just take a little of my turquoise blue leftovers here and put them around the edge a bit. A flow extender.
This high, the sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars.
I can do this while it is percolating a little bit, getting all friendly. So I can see some stuff already coming up.
It could rain, I don't mind.
great coverage. It's just getting it damp. All right. Oh, wow. All right, I'm going to torch this a little bit. Help get it started here. Get rid of some of the bubbles. Let's start tilting here. So I'm going to start by just sort of going around in a bit of a circular. Try not to go over too much until we've pulled it around a bit. Sort of encourage it to move and stretch a bit. All right, go off that corner just a bit. Use too much of that. Okay. Pull it back.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Pull that back a bit.
Yeah, you better step.
I almost want to just leave that corner like that because I'm loving the cells right there. I think we'll go down this bit. And I'm going to just stretch a little, take off just a wee bit more, just to sort of bring out what we already have. Stretch it a bit. Set that down for a minute and see what I think. Paper towel here. All right, I think I'm going to stretch, push everything that way because this is starting to come up like crazy over here. So I think we're going to stretch down that way a bit. See what we can do to open up this part up here. That's so pretty. Oh yeah, that's making me happier. All right, let's go back this way for a minute. Okay. Let me play with some of my corners and such. Alright, I am gonna stop because I liking that. I'm gonna fix up some of these corners and edges. And then I will bring you in for a bit of a close-up. Actually, let me tilt it just a wee bit more. Because I'm loving what's happening up here. I don't know if there's much more that will come off. Because it's pretty stretched out. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, let me tilt it back this way for just a second. Okay. All right, I'm stopping. I'm stopping myself. All right. Hold on, let me clean things up a bit, and then I will bring you down for a close-up. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have the wet results. I am really happy. Look at the lines, even in these little lines, look at the little cells popping up here. Going up this side. Oh, I'm loving these cells. Multiple colors, so pretty. Back down. Look at that corner. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go up here. I got my little negative space. Look at how that gold sort of buzzed out over that negative space right there. This section up here is just cell-tastic. Oh, I'm happy. So happy. All right, hang in there for the dry results. Hi everyone, we have the dry results for this one, and I am really pleased. So it's got beautiful lines over here, gorgeous cells. Look at these cells. Look at the multiple colors in the cells. So pretty. And on this side, we have a special thing. We have an angel, somebody said. Can you see the angel flying? Oh, so pretty. The colors dried wonderfully. I'm so pleased with this one. Thank you so much for joining me. I so appreciate you guys being here and supporting my channel. Please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. And thank you again so much. I appreciate it more than you can understand. Thank you and have a wonderful day.